We'll guide you through how to make glass effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it in an existing one. Once the clip is visible on the timeline, select the video layer and duplicate it by holding the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging the clip upward to video layer 2. This duplicated layer will be used to create the glass blur effect. After duplicating the clip, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create a shape that will define the glass area. Draw a rectangle directly in the program monitor, for example similar to the shape demonstrated in the video reference. Next, go to the Properties panel to modify the appearance of the rectangle. Click the color box in the Fill section to open the color settings. Change the rectangle color according to your needs, then click OK to apply the selected color. Scroll down within the Properties panel until you find the Align and Transform section. If necessary, adjust the corner radius value to control how rounded the corners of the rectangle appear. Once the rectangle shape looks correct, you can continue by applying the required effects. Go to the Effects panel and use the search bar to type Track Matte key so you can locate the effect quickly. When the effect appears in the results, drag the Track Matte key effect onto video layer 2 in the timeline. Then return to the Effects panel again and type Gaussian Blur in the search bar. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto video layer 2 in the timeline as well. After both effects have been applied, open the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. Scroll down until you find the Track Matte key section. In the Matte setting, change the option to Video 3. In the Composite Using option, change it to Matte Luma so the rectangle layer controls the visibility of the blur. Then find the Blurriness setting in the Gaussian Blur section and adjust the value according to your needs, for example 300, to create the glass blur effect. Make sure the Track Matte key effect is positioned below the Gaussian Blur effect in the Effect Controls panel. To create an outline, duplicate the rectangle layer, disable Fill Color, enable Stroke Color, and review the result in the program monitor.